In this video session, I will show how to install the TVI program and all the related drivers of the evaluation kit. We start after extracting the tar.gz file onto your hard drive. You will get these five folders. For proper use, you will need to install all the five folders, all the contents of them. I will briefly go through each of the five folders you see here. The first one is the USB driver for the board. Inside there is either a 32-bit or a 64-bit program driver. You just need to install the one that appropriate to your operating system. The second one is the Ensom runtime software. You just double click on the setup exe and follow the instructions. The third one is the TVI runtime, the runtime software. Here you can see the program, just execute it and again follow the instructions. The fourth folder, in the case you're using a tech in the evaluation kit, you need to install all the three programs inside this folder. The first one is the USB driver. In the case of Windows, you execute this program and follow the instructions. Then you need to install the NIFISA, which is the driver for the LabVIEW, for the TVI, to make communication between the TVI program, evaluation kit, and the tech controller. And then the third one is the Arroyo controller GUI, which you can see here on the left side. You'll need this GUI to manipulate and change any settings that are needed to the controller. The fifth and the last is the TVI itself, with all the specific screen and tests of the Pioneer Ranger evaluation kit. What you need to do here is to copy all the three folders inside here and the parent directory into the C root directory. You can see here example, you can see TestView Integrator. Copy all the three folders into here. Make the parent directory TestView Integrator, and then just make a shortcut for the TVI itself. The TVI program itself is under software. Double click on software, you can see the TVI itself. Just make a shortcut. Make a shortcut to the desktop. That's it. You're set to go.